What's up, Artis Gang? It's your girl, Nisha.
It's your boy, Marcus.
It's your boy, Amir.
And it's the twins, guys. And we are here at Ikea. We're going to go in and kind of look around for Christmas things and other furniture that we need as well for our place. So we just decided to come over here today on Friday and just to, take a stroll. All right, guys.
See you when we get inside. Bye.
Nope.
Dad say this place has a park. That's a park.
Okay.
So let's check it out. Check. I've been really hungry.
It just keeps breaking, so if you're waiting for the elevator, I don't know, we pushed it like 3 times, and then it never opened. It's the 3rd time? Yeah, just did it again.
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
I guess we were lucky. Ooh, Amir, they have desk over there. You already got a new desk. See the desk? Pass it down. It's over there. It's too late now. See how it is? Kind of like models. Like a little house.
We're looking for a dining room set, right?
Dressers too.
Yeah.
This is living room area. Ooh, this is a nice little entertainment
Hey,
system.
that's a nice dining room set right there. You like that one?
Nah, it's too basic. Don't pull the chair out. Come on, leave it there. Leave it there. It's just a display. Come on.
Small little area.
Huh?
I said that's a small area.
It's a display. It's a kid's room.
And here's the park.
It's not a park. I don't think this one has it, do they? The park.
Dad. Dad.
Yeah, maybe that's a set.
Mom said something.
I don't think this one has a park, do they?
Nah, I don't know.
We actually need a lint roller. Let's get a lint roller. 59 cents.
How much is that?
59 cents.
Oh, yeah, you can't beat that.
Look at this one. Wow.
You definitely need that.
Son said, wow. Got bunk beds up in there.
Alright, so the only thing we need is a dining room table, 2 bookshelves, and 2 dressers. That's what we need.
Yep.
So we gotta see where we can find it for you.
But this, like I said, this is the living area, so it wouldn't be here.
Alright, so where would it be?
You're running over a son.
Bruh.
That boy can't drive. He can't drive in the car or in the... No, oh, I seen it there. It's been there. Hassan, what the heck are you doing? Is that funny, Zaza? Zaza even laughing. I was like, he go back to hit that, and you just kept going. I wasn't even gonna say nothing, but cause you gotta pay attention. You say I don't. Nah, you gotta pay attention, dog.
You can't handle the
These
truth.
are like tables. Oh, Amir, this is a nice little table. Look at this, how it is. Ooh, it has seashells. It has seashells. You see that?
Ooh. Can you open it?
No, through the bottom. All right, come on. Bye.
What?
You're gonna be here all by yourself. Just right, kind of like the ones we had before.
Got bookshelves right there.
Oh yeah, they sure do.
I'm gonna
What?
You suck.
What? Boo! Get off the stage.
It's fake.
Yeah, There goes Zion. It's white though. Last time we had brown. Calm down, Amir. Even they have one right here, 29. It's black though.
This black one?
Yeah. It's probably mad, like flimsy though. Let me see if it's.
I mean, but it's not even a bookshelf. Like,
It
all
is
the
a
books we
bookshelf.
got, this
Oh
is-
yeah.
We need like.
And it's not even like that sturdy. See, you got it. This one is 30.
Yeah, but that's a rack one.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying you need something that's gonna be sturdy.
Man, watch out, watch out.
Amir, you're not listening. And who has their shoe off? Zion. Better make sure he don't drop his shoe.
He's going to.
Amir, grab that shoe from him. Does he have his other shoe on? Yeah. Why are you acting up? I want to look at the Christmas ornaments too.
I do too. Where's the Christmas out? I think it's like
Zion, anytime he
What's this over here? How much is this?
it's still small. Well, is it sturdy? It looks sturdy.
It looks dirty. It's 95 though. That's how much it costs, 95.
Yeah. Oh, temporary, unavailable. Womp, womp, womp. This is nice and sturdy too.
That would have been.
Why are you running around?
What about that black one right there?
I don't really like that black one. Look how I look. Come on, Amir. So you gonna get left because you keep playing around. Look, this what y'all need right here. Kind of like this little toy chest thing. Yeah, it's not enough. But it's good for their school stuff. Arts and crafts. Oh, we need to see if they, I don't know if they have, but humidifiers.
You know what? Now I see why my mom used to come here to get ideas.
Yeah, you come here for ideas.
Heck yeah, now I see why she used
Yeah.
to do that.
But
I'm getting ideas just by seeing them.
a humidifier for Zion. See, they even had the computer chairs too. But we just got 2 computer chairs.
I'm getting so many ideas for a house when we get our house.
Why is Zion screaming? Zion.
oh, look at there.
Yes.
Nisha need a work area, y'all.
Yes.
Need a factory.
She always complaining about, work this, work that. She need a good work area.
Yes, I do. What the heck?
That's a baby.
Oh, they have mason jars. You gotta store stuff.
Listen, y'all.
Yeah, you like this kitchen?
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
This zone.
Thumbs up.
Okay. What do you guys think? Artist of this game. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay. Amir said he liked this one. Nah, this is whack. What do you guys think?
This thing is small.
It is small.
It is small. It's like an apartment.
They have one over here,
That's small too.
but the appliances is nice. Have a nice stove, oven, microwave, I'm pretty sure, refrigerator. Y'all hear Zion like way over there.
Wait. Where's Zion other shoe? I see one. Where's the other one?
You don't remember we put it under the bottom?
Oh, okay.
Zion loves. Why are you acting up? Remember Amir last year he wanted a play kitchen?
Stop.
He had Zion's shoe in his mouth. That's what the, come on Amir. Yep. This one looks like a cabin.
This is my type of style, but I don't like like how small it is, but I guess it's just a display.
Yeah. The appliances and what they have.
I do like the style though. I do like the style. And where can we look to find some dresses and stuff like that?
I didn't even see dresses yet. Mm-hmm.
We still talking about Christmas.
Faucets. Ikea literally has everything. Hassan is so extra, guys. He just doesn't know when to stop. We have some of these in the car. Well, he shouldn't be acting up. They have. Ew, I had tried those Swedish meatballs right there, guys. They were disgusting. Chicken tenders, they look okay. And then what's at the bottom? Chocolate cake.
Alright, y'all, we need a kitchen table. That's one thing we need is a kitchen table.
Yeah, we've been looking for one for a while.
Right, so can we see if we can find
Even if it's something, well, I was gonna say something small like this, but we have the kids. Ew, and the color is ugly.
Yeah, that's an ugly color.
Yes.
I was thinking something like black.
Yeah, black. You know, we normally always go to black route.
Yeah. We don't need nothing too spectacular.
Hassan.
We don't need something too spectacular. We just need,
Right.
Shh.
Amir. No.
This is perfect right here. Like,
Yeah, that's not bad. Does it come with the chairs and the table?
$149 just for the whole set. That's not bad at all.
You know that's the whole set because it might look temporary. This is what I was looking
the
at.
heck,
Everything is literally temporary, unavailable. Unavailable.
Display for if it's temporary.
When I was looking online, that's what I always saw.
That would have been perfect right there.
Yeah.
That's all we need. This right here.
Mhm.
This right here. That would have been it.
Yep.
And
All the good stuff.
Son.
Oh, this is where your mom be getting those bottles from. That's glass. Leave that alone. This is not bad. $1.99 for 6 count. They have the utensils. That's not bad either. And the cup. And then let's look at the socks. Stop. Okay? So there's the dressers over there. Remember I was looking online here for beds, but now he already has a bed.
Alright, so what type of dresses do you need? We need for the kids.
Not white. Not,
of course not
nothing white. This boy's still tripping. They have this one. This one isn't bad. Watch out, Amir. But it's long. It's long though. I feel like we need tall, not long.
But look, it's long and tall. Like, what difference does it make?
We don't have the space for long. We have the space for tall. Both rooms.
Let me see this.
See? Tall. But the drawers are just small.
I think we could do it.
Yeah, we could, but not for them. Yeah, but we're looking for 2. But they need deeper dressers. Like the last one we had, it had like deep dressers. Like drawers, I meant. Like this. No, it's a display. That's how they have it. They have the display to show you how much fits in there. But these are deep, but I don't like the color.
How much is that one?
$179. But they need deep drawers, like deep. That's not deep. I mean, between all of them, how you gonna? They have like a lot of clothes.
That's true.
This one isn't too bad right here. This
Yeah,
one,
but that'd be good for our one.
yeah.
We need a long one. They need, like you said, they need a tall one. Do they have that one right there in a different color?
I don't know. Probably not. I don't know.
This one right here. This one right here. It'd be perfect for them white and black. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but they only have white.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Only
I said a
white.
different color.
Yeah, this is actually not bad,
Yeah, but a different color would be good.
and it's not cheap.
Yeah, it's not cheap at all. It's good quality.
Cause time is still cheap. You see, these drawers are deeper. Looks a little deeper. Yeah, cause these two drawers at the top are small, and then they go 3 big ones at the
They
bottom.
don't need that. They need
I
like
know.
you said,
That's what I'm saying. They need a deep dresser.
What is a mid one? What is this boy?
I don't know what he's doing. They have this one. Y'all still tripping.
I'm talking about this one.
What is that noise? Oh, this. What the heck? All right, let's just keep looking because they starting to trip. And guys, the twins are actually fighting common cold, and everybody's staring at us as usual. Look at that little girl.
So for our one, right?
So this is what Grandma Margaret got your guys' animals from. But you guys have the big ones. You know what I'm talking about, Amir?
Whoa, this is really cool. Hey, really? Who's gonna take me?
Amir, you're not getting it. You have enough stuff. They have hot chairs. But I could see Zion dumping this whole thing over. You know what I'm saying? He goes like this. Zion.
Right.
Amir, here's the step stool. Amir don't care nothing about nothing but toys, y'all. No, I don't like that. Spoon.
Oh, there's that.
I already got potty seats. Don't need that. Cribs. Nope, don't need that. Sheets. It's not bad. Fitted sheets $4.49. They have mattresses here. Look at Zion, y'all. Look at Zion.
Hey, we could have came here for the crib, but we
Yeah, but I don't like the ones they have. I like.
Oh yeah.
No, I mean, yeah, the one they have. I
Oh,
like.
look, it's Ellie.
No,
I don't see the one that you got for them here.
no. Let's see what else they have. They actually need a toy chest. I don't see any.
It's Ellie.
Yep.
Big Ellie. This alligator is big, I know.
Mhm. Storage containers, rugs.
Stools.
I know. I was looking at beds here, but a lot of them was sold out.
They too much. Like, how can we have bed fit in this?
He can. Got plenty of room.
Oh yeah.
Got
yeah.
plenty of room. That's a big bed.
That's
You
a
have
nice
that one,
bed.
but it's
One
white.
number-
But why is it white?
Yeah, I don't
Everything's
like it.
white.
Yeah, I don't like the white. Why is everything white?
I don't know.
That's a good question.
Oh, look at the eyes.
That is a good question.
Why is
everything
Amir on the
white?
bed, y'all? Come on, get up.
You like that bed? I don't like the color though.
Yeah.
And I would like if it had drawers up under the bottom.
Yeah, I
Like our, what the heck? What are y'all doing with these?
I just gave it to them so they can be quiet. This one right here, but look how high it is.
Yeah, no, but it does have the drawers up under it though.
Yeah,
I like space. I always like space up under the bottom.
It's cleaning.
All right, come on, y'all. Give it back to him, man. Don't turn me on.
It's through it.
I don't see. Oh, Amir, you got the panda, right?
Yeah.
And the twins have the dogs,
Yeah.
but I don't see it here. The ones y'all have.
Oh, you see Pandy, but you don't see the dog.
Uh-oh. Dun, dun, dun. We're here by ourselves. Oh, no. Where y'all got that? Look at this one. Zion, I thought you was sick. Zion, are you sick? Y'all, his mouth is so big. What's he doing?
All right, this is where you get all the utensils and everything.
Mm-hmm. We were looking for pots and pans. Uh-oh. Excuse me. See what kind of pots and pans they got. Oh, the clips too. Right here, they got some clips. Yep. That we need these guys. You know, chip bags and.
And Allie. Look, it's Allie.
All right, I was also looking for pots and pans. I wish they don't have the sets. Like, yeah. What is that?
Allie is the Jordan. Mom, look at Allie's eyes. I'm calling it Allie for now.
What's that? Who's coughing?
Allie is my pet. She is
Oh, here goes some pots over here. Pots right here.
Mom, look at this big thing.
They got a pot right here.
What size are you looking for? What size do you need?
You know, just the one like we cook spaghetti or whatever in, but this is actually small though. Oh, they have the sets over here.
This thing these are. Mom, look at this thing.
Why? Who did that? So far, we have a lint roller. We have some clamps for the back.
Those mason jars are coming in.
Yeah, mason jar, definitely. But we have some already on our
What?
that we put our pasta and stuff in. We already
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You better stop throwing those things out.
have apple cider. Don't leave them in the middle next to the these glasses and stuff. Yeah, we have the bigger ones though. What else they have? Cups, ice trays.
Why y'all keep throwing them out, man?
They don't want them. Just put them somewhere.
Both of them coughing. All right,
That's
we
why
gotta
it's
go.
time to go because they already
we
don't
gotta
feel
go.
well.
Both of them coughing.
Plastic ice tray. It's a behind. A butt. You don't see that butt?
What is this?
It's a butt. A butthole.
A bowl?
Butthole.
What? Ew.
And you touching it. Ew. You got doo-doo on your hand.
No, not.
Yes, you do. Y'all, Amir got doo-doo on his hand.
Where's Allie? I wish I still had
Twins
Allie.
still tripping. Time to go. Messed up our trip.
I would still have those puppies they could have been holding.
Yeah, but they wasn't holding them, Amir. They was throwing them on the ground. You just want one. You have enough of those. Don't you have the panda? Do you play with it? Do you know where your last alligator is? The one you got from Rainforest Cafe? That alligator, whatever you got. What's that thing he got from Rainforest Cafe? Lizard or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Do you know where that is?
Lizzo.
Do you know where Lizzo is? Where? What bags? It's not in no bag. You don't keep up with your stuff.
Not in a bag.
Nobody's gonna keep.
In a box.
Nobody's gonna keep buying stuff and then you play with it for one day and then throw it in the corner somewhere.
This is like a maze.
I think we're almost to the end. I was trying to look for, see if they had a humidifier, but I don't see one. These are lamps.
I don't see a takeout. Oh,
It's cold in here.
it's cold in all the stores in Orlando.
And then it's cold outside now, so you know that the weather's about to
It's not
start.
too cold.
Yeah, but it's breezy. Weather's about to start changing.
I'm not cold.
That's what it is. Mona Lisa. That's what it's called.
Ooh, she looks scary.
Mona Lisa.
Momo. Her name Momo. What's wrong, boy? What's wrong, boy?
I was having
You have an alley, a real life alley
No,
in
I
our backyard. What you need a stuffed animal for?
Because I wanted to show it to her.
Allie don't care about a stuffed animal. Well, she's a real alligator. She don't care about that.
No, it's going to be just like this. I was just like her. And she would have loved it. Alright, still have it.
Yeah.
So, though, I ain't gonna hold you. They got everything.
Anything you need, come to Ikea.
It's hard to do it with the twins.
Yeah, it is. That's why we like zooming through. Like we would have actually stopped.
It was you and me.
Yeah, it would have been so
Now
much
I see
easier.
why mom and dad used to take forever up in here. We used to go to the playground. They don't got a playground in here?
They got like a little thing right here. This is nice. You can put stuff in, store
That
stuff,
worked for the kids. Man.
stack all their
That's
educational
not a bad
stuff.
price at all. for the kids, man.
And I like the dark brown.
Yeah, this is good for the kids. Man. Right?
This is a nice storage area too. You put all the compartments in it.
Not a bad price either. Not a bad price.
All right, here we go. See, that's why we can't stop. We got to keep this going. Gotta keep going.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come back just me and you sometime. I don't know how we're gonna
I was
do
gonna
it.
say, how we're gonna do that? It's just us here.
Man in the watch.
They close at 9 o'clock. Here we are. We're at the end. Got Cinnabons up in here. Whole warehouse.
My leg hurts.
That boy always complaining about something. Talking about his legs hurting.
We could get our kitchen set from around here. This is kind of like the liquidation area.
Mm-hmm.
I like this bed.
Come on, Amir. The twins are tripping.
That's not a bad price.
Here we go.
$59.
That's what. But I told you a lot of the stuff was out of stock when I was looking. As you
Less than
see,
what we paid for the bed he got now. That's
no, he got it from the liquidation place. No, it's not.
Oh.
Amir has like a $40 bed between the mattress and the
Oh.
base. That's why we go to liquidation. His old mattress that we took, you know, that one was more. All right, let's check out. We made it to the end, guys. I'm gonna go to self-checkout straight ahead. All right, guys, we will see you later.